Climate change. Millions of people are already suffering from the catastrophic effect of extreme disaster exacerbated by climate change. From prolonged drought in sub-Saharan Africa to devastating tropical storms sweeping across Southeast Asia, the Caribbean, and the Pacific. In 2021, scorching temperature caused deadly heat waves in Canada and Pakistan, and set off wildfires in Greece and Siberia. There was severe flooding in Germany and China, while in Madagascar, a particularly prolonged and intense drought has been driven million people to the brink of what is being described as the world's first climate change-induced famine. While we largely understand climate change through the impact it will have on our natural world, it is devastation that it is causing and will continue to cause for humanity that makes it an urgent human rights issue. It will compound and magnify existing inequalities, and its effect will continue to grow and worsen over time, creating ruin for current and future generations. This is why the failure of governments to act on the climate crisis in the face of overwhelming scientific evidence might well the biggest intergenerational human rights violation in history. The planet climate has constantly been changing over geological time, with a significant fluctuation over global average temperature. However, this current period of warming is occurring more rapidly than any past event. It has become clear that humanity has caused most of the last century warmings by releasing heat-trapping gases, commonly referred as greenhouse gases, to power our modern lives. We are doing this through the burning fuel, agriculture, and land uses and other activities that drive climate change. Greenhouse gases are the highest level they have ever been over the last 800 years. This rapid rise is a problem because it's changing our climate at a rate that is too fast to living things to adapt to. Climate change involves not only the rising temperature but also extreme weather events, rising sea levels, shifting wildlife population and habitats, and a range of other impacts. Climate change is and will continue to harm of all us unless government take action. However, its effects are likely to be much more pronounced for certain groups. For example, those communities depend on agricultural or coastal livelihoods, as well as those who are generally already vulnerable, disadvantaged, and subject to discrimination.